It's a story only on NBC 26. We're seeing traffic stops escalate quickly more and more.
Okay, go! Drop it!
A driver was stopped for possibly drunk driving in Michigan just last week, and within seconds, gunshots came from the suspect and the officer. Now, those situations are what we all hope to avoid, police too. So what are the laws and what are drivers' rights? NBC 26's Megan Lowry investigates.
Getting pulled over is never fun. Most of us have been there, but it doesn't have to escalate into a dangerous situation. The former Town of Menasha Police Department simulated pulling me over for this story to explain what the law says drivers have to do during a traffic stop and what rights you have. Chances are next time you're pulled over, it won't be anything like on TV.
Hi, good morning. I'm Officer Weber.
So what should you expect?
Could I see your driver's license and proof of insurance?
This you are required to do.
We want to know who we're talking with.
But unlike in the movies, you likely won't be asked for proof of registration unless you drive a truck.
There may be times that we would ask a person to step out of the car. Could be for a variety of reasons.
By law, you are required to get out of your vehicle if an officer asks you. Otherwise, stay in your car. When it comes to searching your vehicle, though,
an officer just can't arbitrarily search anybody's car.
An officer must have your consent or probable cause.
We are kind of scanning around and looking what's inside of the car, if there's any threat, if there's anything that shouldn't be.
Now, what about recording a traffic stop? Is it legal?
You're totally free to videotape as long as you don't interfere, so if there's bystanders or anything, and the officers on a stop, we obviously don't want you coming up and following the officer or anything.
And remember, they're recording you too.
Most of our officers do wear body cameras.
The main message Officer Weber has for drivers is to be nice, honest, and cooperative.
If you question it, if you have issues with it, debating on the side of the road really isn't the place for it, and it really isn't the safe place to do it for a period of time. Take it to court. That's what the courts are for.
The bottom line is be kind, and the traffic stop is more likely to go your way. And if you have a concern with your interaction, file a complaint or go to court. Don't get into a debate on the side of the road. Keeping you connected, Megan Lowry, NBC 26.